Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can separate bookmarks in your Paymon browser by using dividers. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to the Paymon browser in the first step. And then, as you can see guys, there are these 5 default bookmarks, but they are not divided yet. So you can add or place dividers by right-clicking into the bookmarks bar. Choose new separator, so it's called differently than most other web browsers, but they look almost the same way. So if you select new separator, there will be a divider placed like this. Now it's a little bit tricky. You'll need to left click into it to then position it where you want it to be positioned, like for example between these two bookmarks, to divide them or to separate them. And you can do that again by separating these two dividers. So that's one way. The other option would be to navigate to the toolbar customization. To do that, click into Paymon in the top left, navigate to preferences here, select toolbar layout, and then from this menu guys, you can for example drag the separator for example to the given position here, and position it between the given bookmarks. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.